transparency, but complete transparency is difficult due to network communication. That is, there may be lag or any hang between the network, so complete transparency can't be achieved. Parameter passing issue, where pointer based parameter passing is difficult in RPC because client and server have different address space, so directly passing parameter to server side can't reference it to the client side, because only the data requests are being sent, that is address is being sent to the data, not the data itself. So that's the issue in parameter passing. Heterogeneity issue, RPC must handle heterogeneous issues like different operating system may be there on client side, different CPU they are using, different data is there between different system, and client and server architecture may be different. Failure issues can also occur, that message may be lost, server may be get crashed, client may be crashed, or reply may be lost. Performance issue may be also there, that RPC is very slow because of marshalling and unmarshalling process. Security issues are also there, that is there is chance of hacking, fake servers, fake client. Required authentication and encryption to achieve this security issue. Let's see about some of the issues in RPC. First, see parameter passing in RPC. So in parameter passing, sometime we do call by value, where values are copied into message as a parameter and sent directly to the server. But in the previous video we have also seen that call by reference, where we pass the pointer address, doesn't happen easily in the RPC, because only transferring address doesn't give the data itself, which is like address you have given to server, but the actual data is on the address on the client side database, so server directly can't able to access it. So for dealing with that problem, it copies the entire data which is being referenced from the client side, and instead of sending pointer, it sends the entire data in message buffer to the server. Another issue we have seen in the previous videos was heterogeneity issue in RPC, like byte ordering, that is data may be different. Heterogeneity is there, that is data different, like one encoding is used by little endian and another encoding used by big endian. Little endian and big endian concept we will cover in our digital logic part. So because it's the theoretical lecture, so we can't directly dealing with the mathematical aspects, but in little endian, in LSB, the least significant bit, like here you can see 4 comes before least significant bit in little endian comes the first, in big endian the LSB comes in the last and MSB comes first in the encoding. Another issue was data type size problem, that is on older system, for example integer was of 2 bytes, but in new system it's now 4 bytes, so that heterogeneous issue is also there. Floating point format problem, where different system use different format, like some use decimals but some use binary. Character set problem, some system use ASCII encoding whereas some use UTF encoding. So solution to handle with the heterogeneity was finded as to use standard encoding like XDR or XML.